breakfast time?
Yes.
Bacon and eggs.
No, chia pudding.
Was I bad?
Well, chia pudding is high in fiber, omega-3, and antioxidants, and it goes with everything.
Blueberries?
Yes.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Bacon?
No! Oh, poor baby. It's okay.
All right, what do we do?
Almond milk.
Half a cup of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of real maple syrup. I'm sorry, what? Vanilla extract. Ooh, yeah, it is thick. Yeah. How long do we keep it in the fridge?
4 to 6 hours or overnight.
It's 9 p.m. now. I don't think that goes there.
Come on, let's get the chia pudding. Come on, let's go. What the hell is that?
It's fun. No, cut that banana. A fun size chia pudding bowl with a lot of stuff. It's creamy.
你是一个娇嫩的小花。
Bless you.